So now I'm going to prepare that application. I'm going to create that application into Lightning. So I came to Lightning user interface, and here I clicked on App Manager, and here I can see our application in classic mode, and I'll give upgrade version of Lightning. I mean our application I'm saying. So now if I want to enter in our application in Lightning, so I'll click on in this nine dot symbol, our app launcher. So click on view all. So here you can see our application, Amar Private Limited. So now I'm clicking on this application. So this is our environment.
This is what?
This is our application environment in Lightning. So classic we have seen. So Lightning we can see. In classic we have created one object here.
Yeah.
So it's also appearing in Lightning. So now we'll create one more object in Lightning. We can see how we will create in Lightning.
Okay.
So I'll just click on for everything we need to go to setup. So in Lightning setup option, this is a gear icon. So click on setup, and here you'll be getting object manager.
Okay, this we are doing in Lightning, right?
Yes, this is Lightning method. In classic you won't be getting this object manager. Directly we'll go to build, and we'll click on create. While we are click on creating, we'll getting all the options like apps, fields, objects, etc, etc. So now I'm clicking on object manager in Lightning. See here, whichever we have objects here, these all are standard objects.
Okay.
We'll be having two types of objects in Salesforce. One is standard object, and second one is custom object. Standard object in the sense which we are getting defaultly by Salesforce side.
Okay.
So while entering Salesforce itself, they have already prepared one customized CRM they prepared.
Okay.
So for that, they gave some objects like account, contact, lead, opportunities, reports, dashboards, etc., etc. I'll explain you all these things while we are introducing about Sales Cloud and Service Cloud.
Okay, so you mean to say all these are there in Object Manager by default, right?
By default, it will be there. As I said, see, now this application we have created for our own purpose. But in fundamentals itself, I said Salesforce is providing ready-made applications. When they are providing ready-made applications, defaultly we'll be getting some objects. So those objects will call as standard objects.
Okay.
Okay. So now we are going to create one custom object. Custom object in the sense as per client requirement, which we are going to create those objects we'll call as custom objects. So here, just click on create, and here we can see custom object form spreadsheet. I'll explain both. So first click on custom object. So in Lightning, we have one object called as manufacturers. Okay, so and now can we have one more object? Can I have a name, please? Can you suggest me any name? Manufacturer is there. And
manufacturer, Glam Private Limited.
No, I'm not asking like that. So it should be related objects. For example, if we create any object name as a student, then another object should be as a teacher.
Oh, so
why I'm saying all these things, I'm explaining as per scenarios. I'm not telling every module just like that. I'll take one scenario, based on that I'll explain. So that is the reason I'm saying. So manufacturers we created. So can we go with distributors or dealers?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, done. So I'm taking one name as distributors.
Distributor, yeah.
And plural, I'll make it as a distributors. So here distributor name, defaultly it is taking it. And optional features in the sense we have some future topics like reports and dashboards and workflow rules. For that, if you have access here, if you give access here, then only if you click on allow reports, then only we can create reports for this particular object.
Okay.
I mean, how many distributors are there? What is the revenue they're generating it, on which product they're generating it, etc., etc.
Okay.
Okay, so currently I'm not clicking on it anything. As per scenario, whenever we require these things, that time we'll open it and we'll give you access. And coming to deployment status, hope you remember yesterday we discussed about sandbox and production arc.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So whichever we are doing it in sandbox, we'll prepare one chain set and we'll send it to production. We'll push to say production through deployment. So once it's completed, all the works in production, sorry, sandbox. If quality people will said okay, I mean testing team, if they said okay, then we can do the deployment. This is a different topic. After completion of all our course, we'll be having some mini project. That time we'll do it. This is
Okay.
very. It's matter of just 30 minutes. That's it.
Okay.
And last one, object creation options. This is page layout also our future topic. Don't I'm not clicking on it, and I'm clicking on it. Launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. That means we can see that object here itself. So if you click on this, so just see. And tab style, yesterday how to create this one, this and all. So I'm just giving something.
Okay.
Now, object has been created.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but in Classic, if we want to create any field, we need to click on force.com, and there we can see the field view. We'll need to click on view fields, and we can create field. But here, if you click on any object, then on there itself you'll be getting all these things: field and relationships, page layouts, etc., etc. If you want to create any field, just
Okay.
click on field name, and you can click new. Then we'll be getting all these things, data types, everything.
Okay.
Are you getting it, Priya? What I'm saying exactly?
I am getting somewhat, but I'm not totally,
Okay, let
because
okay,
because see, what, Ram, I'm feeling what you're telling me now. It is related to yesterday, and yesterday, I had missed out few part because I'm totally new to this.
okay. No worries, because we need to create a few more fields. If you want to going forward, we need more objects and more fields. Then only we can make a few relationships. So if you don't mind, can you create any objects now? I'll be on call. If you have any doubts, I can guide.
Yes. So I go to project manager, right?
Yeah, give me a minute. Once I'll create one field, and then you can share your screen. 1 minute. Text.
Sorry to interrupt, Ram. I have joined now.
Yeah. Sorry,
Okay, this is
Sandeep. I
Sandeep.
haven't seen you. Yeah, tell me, Sandeep.
No problem. Just
Yeah, tell me, Sandeep. You're telling something.
no. I just wanted to let you know that I joined now. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
due
yeah,
to some
okay.
client meeting, I could not join by 2. Okay.
Okay, okay. So, nothing, Sandeep. Yesterday you are not there, but yesterday briefly we discussed, right, how to we'll call as object, field, and record.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
now we are
Yesterday I was there,
preparing
right?
those things. Yes, now we are going to prepare those things. So by practically, I'm saying I
Okay.
thought only Priya is available, so that is the reason I thought to having practical session now itself. So you also
Okay.
you haven't seen, right? So I'll explain to you as well. So in distributors, I am giving one field name as product, and I'm making this one as the required field.
Okay.
Required field in the sense I'll explain how it will work. And just click on next, and click on next. Then it will be saved. So now I'm coming back to my home page. My application home page. I'm giving refresh here. See, manufacturers yesterday we have created and distributors we have created.
Yeah.
So if you click on distributors, now we'll create records here. If you click on new,
Yeah.
you can get it one small star symbol in red mark. That means we are making this field required field. That means whenever we are creating record, this field has to be fill up. Then only record will be get created.
Okay.
So distributor name we can give like product name we can give as okay, and I saved. It's done. So now we'll do one thing. Sandeep, I'll share one more video to you. You can understand how to create application and all. Now you just see how to create object and how to create field. That means
Okay.
1 minute. See, if you feel this table, the entire this page, just feel entire this page is a Salesforce, and this table will called as object. So
Yeah.
application, you don't know how to create application. So now what Priya is going to do is she is going to prepare one object like this table. She'll prepare and she'll make it headings like this, serial number and student name like that. So once we have object and table, then only we can start saving our data into Salesforce. Hope you are getting it now.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Yeah, Priya, I'm giving access to you as a host. Yeah, now will you please share your screen? Priya, is there? You are on mute. Yeah,
Okay.
just log into Salesforce environment.
I'm not getting it where it is.
1 minute. Have you created any idea of you, Priya? Do you have username and password?
No.
Okay, give me a minute. I'll guide you how to create ID and all. So I just pasted one URL in chat box. Please check.
Yeah.
Developer.salesforce.com. Just copy and paste it in URL. That URL in browser. Sandeep, I think you haven't seen this. Just watch. I'm just it's a self-explanatory method. I'm just guiding her to create
Okay.
her username and password
Okay. Fine.
because this is the starting step of Salesforce environment.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Priya. Now we can click on sign up. Left side there is an option, right? Top of the left side.
Yes.
Yeah, click on sign up.
Yeah.
Once you click on sign up, you'll be getting this form. As I said,
Yeah.
it's a self-explanatory method. You just give first name and last name,
Yeah.
and mail ID you can give as per your wish. And just remember this email ID will be your username of Salesforce.
Oh, is it?
Yes, yes. And Priya, give me a minute. What I'm trying to say is
Yeah.
once you complete this form, you'll be
Yeah.
getting mail from Salesforce.
Okay, so you don't
So
want to do it now. I can do it later, right?
I'm not getting you.
You want me to do it now, or shall I do it later?
You can do it now, no issues.
Okay.
Because
Who do I
Sandeep,
put in job role?
you can give it as a developer. Because if you give administrator, you won't be having access to a developer sandbox. So click on
And
developer.
company name?
Company name, you need not to give exact company. You can give any just like that company, like AXY Solutions, etc., etc.
Okay. Shall I give UK or India?
Your wish, as per your wish.
You're from UK.
Yes, Sandeep,
Yes.
she's from UK.
Okay.
And Priya and
Okay.
Sandeep also from UK. That's the reason he
Oh,
joined
okay.
in this session.
Yeah.
And just give username which you gave as email ID.
Okay.
It should be match. Same email ID we should give.
Okay. Sign me up.
Yeah, just click on send me up. So now please check your mail.
Yeah.
But one thing I don't understand, Sandeep and Priya, whenever I'm preparing Google Meet, you are unable to log in that Google Meet. I have a problem with Zoom. It will be having only 40 minutes. If it is
Yeah,
Google
but
Meet,
then I
Yeah,
don't.
Google Meet we can log in, right?
I really don't know.
Google Meet is also fine.
They were facing some technical issue yesterday. So that is the reason I came to Zoom.
No, I
Okay,
didn't
that's
receive an email.
Just give refresh, wait for some time. You will be getting it.
so the email which you have entered is Outlook, right? Your office mail ID.
Yes.
Yes, check with that mail only.
I'm checking with that mail only.
Okay. I just want to give one information.
Yeah.
Sometimes Salesforce will not support for other email, other emails like Hotmail. Yesterday also I said Hotmail, Rediff Mail, and Outlook. It won't take it. So it will take it. Better you can give Gmail only.
Yeah. Shall I
Yesterday,
do it again?
yeah, please do it. Yesterday I said I believe. I think Sandeep, you are there, right, in that demo. I said,
I was there. I was there.
yes, I said
Yeah,
same.
correct.
So sometimes it
Yeah,
won't
try to
take.
give your Gmail. You have Gmail, right? So that is, I think that is better. As it is
Yeah.
personal, you can get email. Yeah. Go back
In real time scenarios,
backward.
scenarios also, a few users they'll say that they're unable to doing
Yeah.
something. So if you go with Gmail, you won't be getting any problem.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Give as developer. Sandeep, meantime, can you please share your email ID, Sandeep, so that I'll share videos to you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Why is it not working? Okay.
Yeah, I sent my Gmail in this chat, Ram.
Yeah, got it, Sandeep. And please check your mail, Priya.
Yeah.
Sandeep, if you don't mind, you can also do the same after completion of this session. I'll just
Yeah, I'll do.
copy this developer.sandbox salesforce.com.
Yeah, I'll do. Okay. Yeah, I copied and I saved it in
Yeah,
notepad.
just save it in your notepad. Later you can do it. Because
Okay.
actually I missed to record the video for yesterday's session for Priya. So the reason for timing, I asked her to do it now itself.
No problem.
Priya, can you please check your mailbox?
Yeah, I'm checking, but then it's not there. I don't know. Some internet issue with my side. I don't know why is it so slow.
Okay, so I'll just explain. Once you get the mail,
Yeah.
it'll ask you to verify the account. If you click on verify the account, then
Yeah.
again it'll ask you to give password. They'll be providing some credentials like password should be 8 digits and numerical should be there, etc., like that. Just follow those
Okay.
instructions and give your password. So once it is done, you should log
Yeah.
in into production. So to log into production, this is the URL. Give me a minute. I'm sending in chat box. So to log in Salesforce or I mean production environment, this is the URL login.salesforce.com.
Okay.
Once you log in with login.salesforce.com, it will ask you to enter username and password. Username in the sense, just now you gave your email, right? That is your username, and password which you are going to create for you. That is your password.
Okay.
Okay. So can you please give me the host access to me? Then I'll share my screen.
From where do I give you host access?
Just go to chat box. Participants.
Participants, yes.
Participants.
Participants.
In that,
Yeah.
click my name.
More.
You will get more option. There you can give reclaim host. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, now I got the mail.
Okay. So do one thing. Just open that mail, and we'll be having your email ID on URL. Don't click on that. Just click on verify your account.
Okay, I did verify my account.
Okay. Just give your
Pass.
username. Just give your password.
Okay.
Once you give the password, I'll give the access to you again. Then you can log in with login.salesforce.com. Sorry, Priya. Actually, because this is the starting step. Once you have username and password, then that will be easy to navigate in Salesforce environment. You can play just like that in Salesforce environment if you know the navigation. So that is the
Okay.
reason I'm asking you to do all these things.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, will you please share your screen if you don't mind? I gave the access to you.
Okay. Yeah.
So now you got the username and password, right?
Yes.
Go to chat box. In that, I have sent one URL login.salesforce.com. Just copy and paste it in browser.
And paste it where?
You can open another window and there you can paste it.
Okay.
So now you got
Yes.
username
Yeah.
on this home page. Now you
Yeah.
can enter your username and password. Click on login.
I did. Please check your username and password if you still can't log in. Huh? Why is it so?
Please check your username and password again. I think something wrong.
Forgot
Can
password.
give forgot password.
Username, mail ID.
Yeah, Priya, small tip for you. So
Yeah.
username better you can copy and paste it every time, because sometimes while typing it, if you do any mistake,
Yeah.
uh, it will be shows same error.
Return to
So
login.
yeah, I mean go to your email. Go to your email.
Yeah.
So you'll be receiving one link. Just click on that link and you can reset the password. So maximum people, 80% of the people, they'll be facing the issues while creating the username and password. So that's the reason I asked you to do this.
Okay.
Even when I was new to the Salesforce, I was facing the same issue. So that's the reason I said, don't feel bad about this.
No, no, no. Okay, you cannot reuse old password. I have to make a new one. Okay, so now shall I do it again?
Yeah, please do it. Yeah, just check your mail. You'll be getting one verification code.
Yeah, I got it.
Please type it there. Yeah, Priya, just a minute. The session is going to be closed. We'll be logging same link. Just give me 5 more minutes time. Once it is logged
Yeah.
out, just log in same link.
Yeah, yeah, no
So,
issues.
so now you got the environment of, Lightning user interface in Salesforce.
Okay.
Got it? This is Lightning page. So if you
Okay.
want to go to Classic, what you will do? Oh no, left side there is a symbol, profile symbol. There is a icon, left side. So I'm sorry, right side.
This side, this. Which
Right
one?
side, yes, there. Click on that. You can find one option called as switch to Salesforce Classic. Come down, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you
that
click
one,
on
yeah.
that, it will be switched to Classic.
Okay, this is.
Yeah. So now you have created your username and password. Now you have successfully logged in the Salesforce environment.
Okay.
Now, if you want to create one application for your own, click on setup. Left side, you'll be getting all the options like administer. Come down. We'll be having 4 segments: administer, build, monitor, deployment, etc.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
administer, deploy,
Yes.
monitor. So
Jobs
by
for.
using all this option,
Yeah.
we'll work on Salesforce. So now go to build,
Build.
build.
Yeah.
In that there is a create option. Don't click on create. 1 minute. Don't click on create. Before create, there is a play option. Click on the play option.
Yeah.
Yes, click on that. If you click on that, then you'll be getting all the options. Whenever you want to create anything, you need to go to this create option only. So here you can find apps, tabs, report types, etc. So now we need application. So go to apps, click on app, and here you can find all standard apps, I mean ready-made applications from Salesforce side. So don't touch anything now. Click on new. There is a quick start button, new and reorder. So click on new. So don't go console now. I'll tell you why console and why custom app. Click on custom app and click on next.
Custom app now on next, right?
And yes, next. And here you can give your own application name.
Same name?
It will take automatically same name.
Okay.
Okay. And description as per your wish. You can give it as training purpose, etc.
Okay. That's it.
That's it. Then click on next. You'll be getting Salesforce logo here. If you have your own logo, we can keep it our logo. But there is another module how to insert our logos into the Salesforce environment. I'll teach you in future talk. That is a future topic. Now don't touch that insert message. Click on next. And just now, as I said, available tabs in the sense all the standard objects which Salesforce is providing.
Okay.
Now we are not going to take any tab from standard objects. Just leave it with home page and click on next. We'll take scenario wise and we'll go with scenario based user cases. So click on visible profile in the sense nothing but it's like a separate department. So how a profile will work, we'll see in future topics. So click on visible. You can find profile visible default, right?
Where it is?
In this page.
Proof.
Come down. Yes, there. Profile, headline. Profile visible default is there, right?
This.
That is step number 5. Just come down.
Yeah.
Yes, profile, visible and default. So click on visible.
Visible.
Yes, click on visible and give next.
There's no next.
Yeah, click on save. Click on save. Now you have created your own application. Now tell me, how can you log in your application?
In your application.
Yes, scroll up. Just click on content. Yes, click on that. then you can see your application name is available or not.
Yeah, it is there.
It is there. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see only home application, home tab here. I mean home object.
Yes.
And remaining thing, you know how to create objects and how to create field. And I have only 1 minute time. I'll just log out and relog in once again. Please log in
Okay.
on same link, Sandeep and Priya, if you don't mind.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Sure.